guys, I've got a box that I received yesterday from the guys at IckySticky.com.au, as you can see right here. Okay, so last week I've noticed that IckySticky has been commenting on my Facebook page. Not knowing who they are, I thought it was just another modeler with their page and commenting on my videos and on my posts. So I thought that's pretty cool. So what did I actually do? I clicked on it. I clicked on IckySticky and found out it was an Australian online store, because on their comments you only see IckySticky. Okay, it doesn't come up as IckySticky.com.au. So I clicked on the link, took me to a store page, and I thought, oh cool, an Australian small business. So what did I do? I clicked on it, I started shopping on there, seeing stuff, as you know, here at Outback Mini Models. I love supporting small Australian businesses. Without these guys, and if you are in Australia, especially where I am, okay, up here in North Queensland, there aren't too many hobby shops around at all. And because of things that are happening around the world, cost of living, a lot of these businesses end up closing their doors, sadly, and we don't have the luxury of walking into a brick and mortar store and enjoying the things that we used to, is actually picking up the product in our hand and buying it. So I ended up reaching out to IckySticky after hitting the buy button and said, look, I've got a YouTube channel, and as you know, I've got a Facebook page which you subscribe to, and I appreciate it. Now, would it be okay for me to review these products once I receive this package? And they kindly said yes. So what are we doing today at this bench? We're gonna have a look at what's in this box. I'm gonna show you what's in this box, and later on today on the YouTube channel, I'm gonna review these products after I do this video here on Facebook, and I'm gonna upload them just so you can see what they actually are. But all I'm going to do here in today's video here on the Facebook page at Outback Mini Models, I'm just going to open this box and I'm just going to show you what's inside. Okay, so give me a moment and I'm going to open this box. Okay, so we've got this thing open, and the first thing you know, it's actually a well packaged, so nothing's going to roll around inside. I got this directly from IckySticky. So what do we got inside the box? Bit of paper to keep your whee. Okay, so we've got put this box to the side, got a little notepad, a pen. How cool, like a mini tape measure, a pen, and looks like I don't know if that's a fridge magnet or a business card. So we'll just zoom in like this. I'll just readjust the camera for you. So we have a notepad, sculpt things, fix things, mold things, make things, hand moldable plastic pellets. I did see these on their website, but I don't know what they are. I'd have to do some more research. It's a notepad, and we've got a business card. So I'll leave this here. Oh, there you go. IckySticky, thank you for supporting an Australian owned and operated company. I'm all for that, guys. So more for supporting Australian companies. Follow us on our socials. So they are on Facebook and they are on Instagram. Okay, so if you're on any of those platforms, or you're definitely on Facebook because you're watching this video, so if you're on Instagram, go check them out. There is a QR code there. I don't know if you'd be able to scan that directly through the phone. You might take a screenshot and just blow it up a little bit, zoom in, and then take a screenshot. But yeah, there you go. So I'll leave this up here, top corner. But yeah, that's a little, I guess it's like a little welcoming pack. What did I actually order? I ordered some micro pipettes, and I've kind of got these big, like your standard, I guess you could call it, the big droppers. But sometimes I find those too big, and I get a lot of, you know, as you guys know, you get a lot of residue or leftovers back in this dropper, and it settles. So I thought I'd get these. You get 20 in a pack. Okay, so but I won't go too much into these. I mean, just comment down below, guys, too. So like, if you are watching this over the course of the weekend, starting today, I'm going to start filming the product reviews of these. So let me know in the comments down below what you want to see, and then I'll sort of do a more in-depth video on them. Sorry about my elbow in the shot. Ooh, okay, so oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. I've got a 24 in run 1. Oh my god, they threw in, let me check the invoice here, guys. I need to check something because I don't think I ordered this. Oh wow, so they've actually thrown in an extra set. What I did order was this precision screwdriver set. It's a 6-piece, and I loved how it's in this case. Okay, so like, I'm terrible for losing tools, but if it's in a case like this, I can easily slot it under my bench here, like under this little shelf, and it's easy accessible. That is awesome. Okay, that's what I ordered. But this I did not order, so this is being thrown in as a thank you for doing these videos, I guess. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. This is magnetized, and so I'm not going to open any of this. I'll be probably doing this for the review. It's 24 in 1 precision screwdriver set, magnetized and demagnetized. That is awesome. Okay, wow, that is so cool. Thank you very much for that. We also, what I ordered was, okay, skinny sticks, twig sticks, sanding twigs, thinny sticks. All sorts of companies call them different things. I love these things. Who doesn't have thin sanding sticks in their collection or in their arsenal of sanding tools? I mean, I love them. I will do, and this is why I bought them. I did get, this is the medium pack. I did also order the fine pack, and you can see here what the grits are. 400 grit, 600 grit, 240, 320. Okay, but then I also got the ultra fine, which is 1,000, and the 2,000. But you do get 10 of each, 20 total in each package, and it does come with the self-sealing plastic bag, so you don't need to chop them up and everything goes flying around. So if you've got a drawer like I do with just, well, actually, so I do have a box full of spare sanders, but I've just running really low, like pretty much down to like my last 3 skinny sanding sticks. And yeah, so I needed a major restock, because I go through these. These are probably the ones I go to the most. I've always got some kind of skinny sanding stick on my bench while I'm modeling, but I will go through later. So thank you very much. These look awesome, and they're not that expensive either, guys. They're really not that expensive. By memory, okay, so I just had a look at their website because I really forgotten. The prices aren't on my invoice that I got. So the pack that I didn't get was the mixed one. So you get a bit of everything. It's a 30 pack. You get 5 of each grit. So you get 5 100s, 5 180s, 5 240s, 5 320s, 5 400s, and 5 600s. Okay, and you're looking around about 15, just a bit over 15 bucks for those, and it goes down to about just over $10 a packet. Next in the box, what else we got in here? Okay, ooh, this is what I ordered as well. Okay, so I got some tungsten micro drill bits. The reason being, I needed drill bits the other day and realized I had about 4. I did have an orange set floating around, like, not, when I say orange, not this, but I just had like a generic brand of just standard drill bits. And I just, for the life of me, I couldn't find it. I tore my whole studio apart looking for them. Couldn't find them. So what did I have to do? I had to buy some new ones. So these, if I just have a quick look. Okay, I'll just, okay, so, ooh, okay. So for the full set, there is another set on top of this. Okay, so, we got the, this is not the, yeah, there's a bigger set than this. Okay, so what are we looking at here? So the set I don't have is a 2.1 mil to a 3 mil, and it's a yellow packet. Also comes with a drill, like a drill holder. What do you call it? A hand drill, I guess. You're looking at $40 for that, but as I've got heaps of those handles floating around. I've got low speed battery cordless modeling drills in here. Okay, so we are looking at, I can't remember, it's about $12, 10 to $12, and so the ranges from these ones here, the smallest one, no, wrong. So that one, and then the yellow one goes after that. So I think these were $10.11. I think these were about $12.50. I think a bit over that. And the next one after that's about $15. So like, I mean, for a set of drill bits, I mean, I'm not complaining. And once we do the product review, we'll open this packet up, see how it's all packaged inside, and see how they handle plastic and things like that. So during the email that I did send them, they asked if there was anything they could throw in for doing these videos for them. And I did ask for this because I don't have one of these, and I've seen these online all over the place, and I've always been intrigued about having a magnetic base or a magnetic painting stick. Okay, so I can sort of, because what I've got at the moment, it's old as, and now I don't even really use it as what it's intended for. I just throw like my crap on it, and I throw all my sharp tools, like my old blades, my airbrush needle when I'm flicking paint around, like splattering paint, just spare paint mixing blades, and yeah, just small drill bits that I use for other things besides not drilling. So that's what that sits there for. So I don't have a dedicated base platform to put my painted parts. Okay, so I'm not even going to open this. This will be one of the reviews for sure, so stay tuned for that one. But I think this is about $20. I think so. If you were to go to their store directly to IckySticky, that's $20 neat on their website. So I think that's pretty good value. Durable rubber tip alligator clips, strong magnetic base, 6 flexible clips, 6 straight clips. So obviously you've got the ones that can bend, and then you've got ones that are rigid. Okay, 6, so you get 12 all up, obviously. So that's pretty standard, just a little brown box with a sticker on it, but it doesn't really matter what the box looks like. It's all about what's inside. So Monique, thank you very much, and the team at IckySticky. Okay, the final product in this box. It is something I have been looking at for the past 6 months. Actually, for the past few years. A wet palette. Okay? My wet palette at the moment doesn't even exist. What I've been using is, if you know me, I've been using these medicine blister packs. I know you guys in the US don't have these in your as for medicine. You have them in those plastic bottles and you pull your pills out of that. But in Australia, I don't know anywhere else in the world, probably in the UK as well, maybe, I'm only guessing, that this is what our medicine comes in. So when you get headache tablets or whatever, even chewing gum over here comes in like packets like this. You just, pop the pill out and then, next one. And then, so what I've done over the past is I've had friends, the older you get, the more beautiful it is, because a lot of the older people just take medicines now, the older you get. So I said, can you keep all these for me? I ended up getting a full brown paper bag of these. I've got hundreds of these things. They're great just for like putting drops of paint in, but when you want to mix paint, when you want to blend paint, it's not really that effective. So I've actually purchased a wet palette, okay? And like looking at this wet palette, when I saw it on their website, I was actually really excited because it's not that expensive. I've looked elsewhere, as you do, just window shopping online. And I've seen these things up to 40 bucks. And I just thought, nah, I am not paying that much for a wet palette. On their website, I found this for $25.52, okay? And I thought that was a really good deal. Like guys, if you're in Australia and you're looking for stuff like this, give IckySticky a go, because so far what I've seen for what I paid for all this, it wasn't a lot, okay? It wasn't a lot. It's definitely, what I spent here is definitely cheaper what you'd spend going to the pub on a Friday afternoon with your mates, okay? So this wet palette is something I've wanted for quite some time, okay? So we're gonna look on the back of the box, just quickly. I'm not even gonna open this, like I keep saying in this particular video. I'm saving all these products for the product reviews and unboxings and see what's inside. So inside, it's got 2 hydro sponges. So they're the replacements that I was talking about for a bit over $10. You also get 20 hydro cloth, okay, 20 times, and you also get 50 palette paper. So like actually the bits of paper they actually put your paint on. So it's pretty good value, okay? So and then obviously the box that it comes in, well, the wet palette or the palette itself. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna get cracking on these reviews right now. So enjoy your weekend and stay tuned. And as these videos come out, I will post the links of the YouTube videos here on our Back Mini Models Facebook page. And I'm also going to post a link to IckySticky in this post, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment what you really want to see most and what you think looks really interesting and what you might want to get for yourself. And if you do get some for yourself, let them know I sent you, okay? I'm not sponsored. The few extra things I got in this video today was just to say thanks for doing this video for them. So yeah, just let them know I sent you over and say hi. See ya. Bye-bye.